Hi, hello. So, first of all, yes, people, my name is Pallavi Shetty and I am a live show host. So, yes, if you're looking forward to connect with me, you can follow me on my Instagram page that is Anchor Pallavi Shetty. We can see a lot more people joining in. That's really great. So, as we all know, that we all are stuck at our homes. So, I'm sure it's a great initiative taken by Seven Entertainment to bring some entertainment definitely in our living rooms. So, as the name suggests, Quarantunes. As you people know, that there is one thing which can connect us all, and that is definitely entertainment and music. So we're gonna have, I'm sure, a lot of Meenal fans are waiting for for her to join in. So of course she'll be joining us soon. Let me check if she is online. I can connect with her. Well, basically, there's only one motto of Seven Entertainment right now is definitely stay home, stay safe, and if you're looking forward for any entertainment, you have to tune into Seven Entertainment Instagram live page to have a musical time with your favorite artist. All right, so do we have people who all are looking forward for Meenal as well to join us so we can see? Yes, those 12 will be having Meenal soon. I hope you people are enjoying your quarantine period. Let us know in the comments if you have any request for Meenal. Of course, I'm looking forward that if we have any personal request from you people, which you people want her to sing for you, of course we can. Oh, finally, I think we have Meenal online. Ha, Meenal, finally. I think you have to send a request. Ambrish, even I'm sure even I cannot wait Meenal to sing a song for us. We all are here for her. And yes, let me connect Meenal.
Okay.
All right,
Hey,
finally.
finally.
Hi.
Okay. I'm very bad at all
Yes,
this. Hey.
no, but we have a lot of fans of yours who were eagerly waiting and they were asking, where is Meenal? We want to see Meenal online.
Okay. Hi, everybody, whoever is already online. Okay. Hi, Pallavi, how are you doing?
All good. How you doing? How's your quarantine period going on?
Well, I think I'm losing more weight by doing all the housework.
I think
More
this
than
this is the only feedback I've got that you are losing weight. Other people are definitely gaining the weight by eating and sitting at home.
Yeah, so my husband and I, we were just chatting, and we've been ghar pe we stay with our in-laws, and my
Okay.
father-in-law and my mother-in-law, and the best part is we've not let them go down for anything. So all the bahar ka kaam we are doing. So I was just wondering, when I was there in the lines for taking the grocery and everything, I was like कि जिनके घरों में हाउस हेल्प है ना वो लोग लिटरली हाथी हाथी बनकर ही बाहर निकलेंगे बिकॉज यू जस्ट फील लाइक ईटिंग ऑल द टाइम इसलिए
Even if
कुछ
you're
नहीं
not
करते तो
hungry
खाओ
now. All right. So I'm sure abhi se jaise hi aap online aaye ho, we have so many requests coming in, and
Yeah.
I was just going through you. I mean, digging more about you so that I can definitely have a conversation. So I really came across that you started off really young, right?
Yes, I did.
Yes. So how was the journey throughout till now? Like how you started it off?
So guess at what age I started singing. Okay, let's play a quiz. Everybody
I
can
think
guess it.
the
I give
audience
one
has to
minute.
guess it because I know the
Yeah.
answer.
No, you also don't know the answer. That's why I'm telling you.
अच्छा Okay, okay. So
Ah, that's what I'm telling you.
I think we have to let the audience go ahead with the answer first, and then I can just try on from my end.
Yes. So I'm giving 1 minute for people to tell me at what age I started singing. Like what age I knew about singing.
We have some answers that is 7, 8.
Okay, no, the 7, 8 is not. In between, I think I've
I,
also.
I can also give in my
Yes,
ideas,
yes,
right?
please,
About it.
yes,
I
please.
think 11.
Yes. Wrong.
Wrong.
11 is yeah. That's the wrong age. Who said 8 is close by? Okay. 7 is closer. Hi, Prithvi. I actually want to. Prithvi,
6.
can you come online? Can he join us? No, yes. They can join us? Prithvi Gandharv, he's a fantastic singer and it is his birthday
All right.
today. So happy birthday, Prithvi. मैं
Happy
अभी तक
birthday,
post नहीं डाला
Prithvi.
है, but he is one of the most beautiful singers we have in the industry and कमाल का गाता है बंदा.
That's
So
really great. I'm sure now you have to give us the answer. Come on. At what age you started off?
6.
6. Oh God, हम सबने गलत दिया. There was no any person out there actually guessed it correct. 6. That's such a
Yes.
young age. And who was your motivation behind it?
Actually, honestly, it has started at a very past place. There's a mandir in Kachnerji. We are Jainis. Like I'm a Jain before marriage, and now I'm a Sardani. So
Oh,
there's a mandir in Kachner, Kachnerji Pasha Bhagwan ka mandir hai wo. And I was very young, like 5.5, 6. So my Masi, I was very a restless child. I'm still a restless girl, by the way. That has not changed about me. So she was like, कि चल मैं तुझे भजन सिखाती हूँ. And she taught me a bhajan. बहुत simple bhajan था. But the moment she taught me, I learned it like in like about 15 minutes. And I went to the mandir by myself and I started singing. And I had my first audience over there because the moment I started singing, everybody who was there, जो मंदिर के दर्शन करने आए थे आजू बाजू में थे, मैं इतना जोर से गा रही थी शायद कि सब आके और सुनने लग गए. And that's where I started actually. And my father noticed that I have a gift of music. So
of course, we all love your voice, and there's no doubt about it. So let me
thank you
just
so much.
give people a heads up that yes, we have loved your tracks from so many movies out there. I think the favorite one has to be the Ranjana Ae Dil Hai Mushkil. So
Thank you.
we really want that we should not go ahead and waste any time out there, but we all are looking forward that if you can sing one of your all-time favorite song.
Okay, my all-time favorite.
Yes.
Okay. So that my all-time favorite would be my song, my first song after Indian Idol that we released, and it's my first baby, as I call it, officially also because the composition is by my husband, then the
Okay.
boyfriend, and now the husband, and the trust he had in me and the love we have. He had told me then when we were recording that after listening to this song, Rahman sir will call you. And because of
That's it.
that, I got noticed in Rahman sir's eyes, and Banarasiya happened because of this song. So Mehram, Prithvi has written it already, Mehram Yaar. So that's my favorite song. And I'm very proud of that album in all because I was only 20-year-old when I came out of Indian Idol. And I think I chose a very nice genre to start my music career with instead of choosing, not that anything else is bad, but I wanted to choose something which is more like me. So that's how it's a Sufi pop, rock kind of a genre.
I am sure we all are eagerly waiting for you to go ahead with it.
मेहरम मेहरम बोली जावा मेहरम मेहरम बोली जावा इक्को सौदा तोली जावा मस्ती दे विच डोली जावा मेहरम मेहरम बोली जान.
Oh my
Thank
God.
you.
Wow. Definitely such a beautiful voice you have out there. I think एक गाने से तो यहाँ पे किसी का भी मन नहीं भरने वाला है. So this is your all-time favorite, as you mentioned, of course.
Yes,
But
yes.
talking about one song which definitely changed up your perception or the whole idea around, like one song which brought you a bit further.
Okay. One song is very difficult. Boss, ये किसी सिंगर से पूछना ही नहीं चाहिए. It is so confusing. But yes, Banarasiya, as I said, this song gave me Banarasiya. So I'll sing Banarasiya. I'll just take the scale. Give me a second.
Sure.
I think
Yes,
B.
people, if you want her to go ahead with any of your favorite numbers, you can just, go ahead with the questions, requests.
Mm, mm, ओए बनारसिया हाय बनारसिया रंग में भंगिया भंग में रंग बनारसिया हाय बनारसिया संग में जंगिया जंग में संग बनारसिया हाय बनारसिया. Thank you.
I think people have to go ahead with a big round of applause for her. Thank you so much.
Thank you. I hope ये अटक नहीं रहा है बीच में because I'm just not. This is my first live in quarantine.
No,
Thanks.
you're quite audible and there's no glitch in between.
Great.
Oh, we
Thank
have a
you so
request.
much.
I think this is from my end as well. I was wondering, Shooty Pie kab sunne milega? And we
Shooty
have
Pie?
people, of course.
Ah, okay. I will take the scale because scale लेने से अच्छा होता है. Wait. You all can sing along with me. I'm very bad with the lyrics, तो मैंने lyrics लिखे हैं. मैं बिल्कुल अपने lyrics बना लेती हूँ बीच-बीच में.
अरे चलेगा. We just want to hear you out.
All right. So 1, 2. हो तेरे जैसी ना पिंड विच दूजे पंजाबी कोई चिक माहिया क्यों तू खिड़की पे बैठे शर्माए वरांडे उत्ते देख माहिया हो तेरे जैसी ना पिंड विच दूजे पंजाबी कोई चिक माहिया क्यों तू खिड़की पे बैठे शर्माए वरांडे उत्ते दिख माहिया क्यूटी पाए. You can sing along.
I can do this.
बनो टशन तेरा अति फैंटास्टिक सोशल मीडिया पे हुक्म चलाए फोन पे बातें करे अपने लेफ्ट हैंड से राइट हैंड पे मेहंदी लगाए बॉयफ्रेंड की तुझे कोई फिक्र नहीं पहली डेट पे कहे ओके बाय देवदास की तरह अफसोस वो करे तू हंस के इनोसेंट सी शक्ल बनाए क्यूटी पाए हाय हाय ओ तेरे जैसी ना पिंड विच दूजी पंजाबी कोई चिक माहिया क्यों खिड़की पे बैठे शर्माए वरांडे उते दिख माहिया.
I think घर बैठे बैठे आपने ना सबको पार्टी मोड में डाल दिया है. Everyone might be dancing,
Oh my God,
listening
is
to
that
you out there.
Ehsan? Hello Ehsan sir, how are you? Hope you're doing well. That's the Ehsan, the Shankar Ehsan Loy wale Ehsan. Everybody says hi to
Okay.
Ehsan sir. Hello.
Okay, so singing के साथ यार, we want to know that what is your hobby, of course, apart from singing.
Okay. One thing I want to tell because I think Ehsan sir hai before that. So there's something very special coming in the movie called Tufan.
Okay.
Which is Rakesh Om Prakash Mehra ji ki movie, and Farhan Akhtar is there in the movie. So this is my first ever something solo that I've sung for Shankar Ehsan Loy, and I'm glad it turned out to be something again spiritual, which is I love Ganpati Bappa a lot, and so that I won't say much. So I'm very lucky, and thanks to all three of them for being there. And they are like super cool, dude, for recording. They don't, I mean, पहली बार आप किसी के यहाँ जाते हो, so you become really nervous, but I think they're pretty cool.
Of course. So you're gonna sing it from. I mean, you're gonna no. We thought you would
वो
like to
आएगा
give us a
तभी.
heads up.
No, no,
थोड़ा
no,
सा.
no, no. नहीं, 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 नहीं. वो आएगा तभी.
All
हाँ, you
right.
were asking me something.
Hobby. Yes, I was talking about your hobbies.
Okay, so quarantine
Hmm.
time में best चीज है that I love to cook. So
Okay.
पीछे क्या हो गया था, because I have a 6-year-old child, by the way, and
Oh,
he keeps me busy on my toes all the time other than music. So his routine is set. So उसकी वजह से मेरा भी routine set है. तो cooking बहुत ज्यादा ऐसे जितना मुझे पसंद है उतना हो नहीं पा रहा था. And I was like getting off with
on and
cooking and
off,
all.
of course, because
But
of the
because of
schedule.
this, yes, because of the quarantine time, I think I started cooking again a lot. So like 95% चीजें बहुत अच्छी बनती हैं, एक आध कुछ बन जाता है गड़बड़. But then I'm very happy that I've got back to it, and like 95% चीजें are like A plus, boss. So I have made ragda patties, I have made
Oh,
dahi bhalle, I have made chole bhature, I have made pav bhaji, I have made pizza, pasta, you name it, I've made it.
you
So
get
I'm like,
this right. You're tempting a lot of people who cannot have these stuff at their places.
अरे घर की चीजों से बनाती हूँ मैं. आई एम नॉट लाइक एक्सक्लूसिवली, आई एम नॉट रियली गेटिंग इनटू गेटिंग द स्टफ जो बहुत ही एक्सक्लूसिवली मिलता है. बट आई रियली लाइक टू कुक नॉर्मल जो घर पे है चीजें उससे. लाइक पास्ता सॉस एंड ऑल दैट आई मेक इट विद आटा. आई डोंट यूज
Okay,
मैदा
so
एट ऑल.
oh
बेसिक स्टफ.
wow, that's really
सो
great. And which
जितना,
is your
हाँ,
favorite food? Like which
पाव
cuisine is
भाजी
your favorite?
goes
Pav
without
bhaji.
saying.
Acha.
Yeah, and that's why my child
Everyone.
also loves it. या सो माय मॉम यूज्ड टू से बचपन में कि तेरे पेट में ना पाव भाजी और भिंडी का पेड़ उग जाएगा. एंड आई थिंक पेट में तो नहीं उगा, पर पेट में से जो निकला है उसके अंदर भी उग गया है,
वो
बिकॉज
तो.
माय चाइल्ड आल्सो लव्स पाव भाजी एंड भिंडी.
All
लाइक ही
right. So
कैन हैव इट
coming, I think
24/7.
food की बातें और करेंगे तो people are gonna kill us because obviously we are tempting them and making them more hungry. But right now, what we can feed them is definitely good music. So there is one song which definitely I really love and I would really like if you could sing at least two lines. That is Dua. I'm sure everyone liked that song
Yes,
from.
that song was my first ever, I think, a proper official movie song. 2010, I guess. No One Killed Jessica.
Not sure. Yeah, kind of, I think.
2010, I guess. And Amit Trivedi का music है, and Amitabh Bhattacharya का lyrics है, and like one of the best combinations you can
Of course.
have. So I'll sing that for you. Wait, let me take the key.
Yes, people, all the people are there online. I really want, if you want any specific song, you can definitely write in the comment section.
दर्द में, दर्द में, दर्द में निकले दिलों से दुआ, दुआ. मरहमे, मरहमे, मरहमे रख दे दिलों पे दुआ, दुआ. निराशा ढले, खिले जो क्यारी में दिल की जमीन की दुआ. दे आशा पूरी करे जो भी जिंदगी में कमी थी दुआ. अंधेरे तर से खुदा के घर से उजाले न क्यों बरसे, गुजारे कैसे सजा के जैसे दिन नमों के लगे अरसे. सब सजदे में, सब सजदे में, सब सजदे में दुआ करो.
Wow. I am sure everyone is definitely mesmerized by that.
Thank you so much. It's a very apt song for the situation that is going on right now.
Of course, everyone is loving the. I think you're more like, which is your preference, like the party numbers or the Sufi, which you are more into, like which you enjoy yourself.
ऑनेस्टली
Hmm.
ऑनेस्टली बोथ बिकॉज जब यार डांस करने का मन हो तो गाना डांस वाला चाहिए और जब यू वांट हैव दैट मोमेंट or you want to sit down quietly and listen to just maybe a long drive or anything, then you need that kind of song. So I really feel कि दोनों का अपना mood होता है.
Yes, of
So
course.
it's like that. And I am both kind of a girl. When I want to go mad, my
You can
girlfriends,
switch off the
so
personalities, of course.
yeah, very much. So my all my girlfriends, like they know me. If I go mad, I go mad. And of course, my husband knows it very well.
Okay, so moving on, talking about the collaboration till now, which is the most closest to you, the collaboration which you had in past.
यार ऑनेस्टली कोलैबोरेशंस मैंने आर्टिस्ट्स के साथ कोलैबोरेशन लाइक सिंगर्स के साथ बहुत कम किए हैं. मोस्टली आई हैव माय सिंगल्स विद माय हस्बैंड एंड आई लव इट बिकॉज आई थिंक ही मेक्स मी साउंड द बेस्ट. Not because he's my husband, he is fantastically talented musician and everybody knows that in the industry. And he is my father-in-law is Mr. Kuldeep Singh, who has composed Itni Shakti Hame Dena Data. So
Okay.
you can imagine where it comes from altogether. So when my husband, the best part is he criticizes me a lot, and I cry also at times. I'm like, ah, nahi. But then I know that somewhere down the line that he makes me sound the best. So and we are like abhi quarantine time hai, so we are jamming, and he's a learner. He doesn't waste his time. That inspires me a lot, and he actually does that. तो अभी यूक उठा रखी है सर ने यूकेलेले एंड ही इज प्रैक्टिसिंग डे एंड नाइट एंड कि मैं ये भी करूंगा. सो ही इज अ म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर, ही इज अ प्रोग्रामर, एंड नाउ ही इज अ फैंटास्टिक पियानो प्लेयर. ही इज लर्नड ऑल दैट. तबला प्लेयर. अभी यूक भी उठा रखी है सर ने कि भाई मैं यूक प्ले करूंगा एंड वी आर जैमिंग ऑन समथिंग. वी माइट पोस्ट इट सून ऑल्सो. Other than that, I think I have sung for almost all the known music directors, and I really feel happy about it. I'm lucky. So Amit Trivedi, Rahman sir, Shankar Ehsanullah, Salim Suleiman. I have sung for all these people one by one, one by one. So I pretty feel, I feel pretty good about it.
Well, as you mentioned that you have so many motivations around you in your family itself. Okay,
Yes.
so even your elder sister is into this, right? And there's one song, of course, that is Piya Tose Naina Lage Na, which is, I'm
Mm-hmm.
sure, quite close to you. Did it actually motivated you somehow? This song, of course, we really want to know from you.
I am not getting you properly the audio. Come again?
I was saying that your elder sister, when she started singing of the song, that
Yeah.
is Pya, yes. So
Piya to se
was
naina
it?
lage.
Yes. So did
I
that?
knew where it
I
is
mean,
coming from.
yes, of course, from your childhood. That is where I am trying to take you back.
So the thing is, my sister was dancing on this song in the
Okay.
school.
Okay.
Okay. And there was no वो actually किसी मेरी विकिपीडिया पे भी थोड़ा सा गलत लिखा हुआ है that Dadu, the late Ravindra Jain Saab was there. No, it was not like that. She was dancing for our school, Emerald Heights. I still talk to the principal sir. He's like awesome. So because वो डांस सीख रही थी घर पे, उसकी भरतनाट्यम की टीचर आती थी घर पे, तो रोज बजती थी कैसेट, तो रोज बजती थी, तो मुझे याद हो रहा था वो गाना.
Lugana.
And I think I was no, because I was in Indore. I was again 6.5, 7-year-old. I was not because when I was 10, I shifted to Mumbai with my mother for learning music. So I was 6 or 7 only. So because वो गाना इतना पुराना था और मैं बहुत छोटी थी, तो एक दिन पापा घर पर आए, मैंने कहा कि मुझे ये गाना सुनाना है. I was like, पिया तो सुनाना, अच्छा ठीक है सुना ले, मतलब वो बच्चे के जैसे होते, ठीक है भाई तू भी कर ले.
Gal.
So when I started singing, he's like, oh my God, this girl has learned this song and she's singing it quite right. मेरे घर में कोई भी प्रोफेशनल म्यूजिशियन नहीं है,
That
but
means
they all
that
have.
song, some or other way, had an impact on you.
Yes, it did. And because they have musical ears, that's when it was confirmed to him that I am born for music. And that's how he promoted me
On
in
that
music.
note, can you just sing at least two lines
Yes,
for
I
us
will.
of that song?
Hmm. पिया तो से नैना लागे रे, नैना लागे रे, जाने क्या हो अब आगे रे, नैना लागे रे, पिया तो से नैना लागे रे, रात को जब चांद चमके जल उठे तन मेरा, मैं कहूँ मत कर ओ चंदा इस गली का फेरा, आना मोरा सैया जब आए, चमकना उस रात को जब मिलेंगे तन मन पिया तो से नैना लागे रे, नैना लागे रे, जाने क्या हो अब आगे रे, नैना लागे रे, पिया तो से नैना लागे रे.
Wow.
Thank
Well,
you.
I'm sure this was a dedication from Meenal to all her fans.
Thank you.
All right. So, if all the people who are online, if you have any questions for Meenal, you can definitely go ahead in the comment section or in the question and answer section, which we
Yes, and
have
I am
on the
actually trying
right.
to read now. Um, hey Amal Tulsi, hey, how are you? Neelam Kishore जी कैसे हैं आप? नयन ज्योति, okay.
All right.
Sakhi
So,
song
Meenal,
from Satyamev Jayate, Chef's Boutique. Okay. Yes,
all
Pallavi, you
right.
can tell me.
Yes. I have one more question. I think we all are motivated some or other way. So we always are focused on something. So right now,
Yes.
where it at the place you are, what is your dream collaboration you are looking at?
Okay. Dream collaboration. It can
वही
be
तो होगा.
anybody. Nahin, it can be anybody. Honestly, I think it's all about music, and I really feel I would love to rather have a platform, a dream platform where, from where my music can reach people in a bigger way. So, because I know that, as I said, I know that the music we do, my husband does for me, is one of the best music. I mean, that's like hands down, it's one of the best music for me. Like, I know as a musician, I sound the best. So, I want to take that music up to a platform, a dream platform where, I can. I can join in with people on a world basis. So that's what I have in mind.
That's a great thought, of course.
Thank you.
Talking about, yes, I
So what are
really
you
want to know
doing, by
some.
the way? No, I want to ask you, what are you doing in
Acha,
the quarantine
me
time?
in
And
my,
by the way, thank you so much. I think I have applied a little makeup after ages, and I am.
and you look really
So let
pretty.
me. Thank you. So you made my day. Let me tell you, I am at home like much before quarantine, the lockdown officially started. So because this had already started happening on Holi, we celebrated
Yeah.
Holi a little bit, 10th, but from 10th evening, we are at home. So you can
From 10.
imagine. Yes.
I'm sure it's long way before quarantine was actually
Yeah,
applicable. Oh my God.
22nd was, I think, the Janta
Yeah,
curfew,
22nd was the, yeah.
and we had an official
I
lockdown
think it
on.
is more difficult for all the artists around because we don't have a habit of being at home, and right now we all are just,
Yes, I really miss the stage. Oh, stage and studio. फिर भी if you have a setup वो
I
काम हो
think
रहा
I'm
है.
gonna cut you there. Stage की
Yes,
बात की है, तो I remember that you are into live performance as well. So,
yes, I am.
any incident, like a funny one or a memorable one, which you would like to share with us?
Okay. So the memorable one. Just give me a second. Hold on. Just give me a second. So a memorable one would be when I was in this London performing, and I had sung तभी मैं बस इंडियन आइडल से बाहर निकली थी, एंड आई हैव परफॉर्म्ड एट रॉयल एल्बर्ट हॉल, एंड
Okay.
that is like one of the most awesomest thing that has happened. And I thought nobody knows me. लंदन पहली बार गई हूँ, मीनल जैन को कौन जानता है, but that happened after Idols. So like right from the airport, the amount of attention I got, I was in shock. Are they coming for me or is it somebody
Oh, come
else?
on.
And like when I went on stage, I could hear Meena, we love you, this and that, and that memory I can never forget. And they sang along with me. So I sang Lambi Judai, and they sang along with me. So
So you're
that
gonna
was
sing that for
that
us
memory I
as
can never.
well.
Yes, I will.
Number Sudhai, of course. Come on, you have to go ahead with it.
Okay. बिछड़े अभी तो हम बस कल परसों, जीऊंगी मैं कैसे इस हाल में बरसों, मौत ना आई तेरी याद क्यों आई है लंबी जुदाई, 4 दिन दा प्यार ओ रब्बा बड़ी लंबी जुदाई, लंबी जुदाई, होठों पे आई मेरी जान दुहाई है लंबी जुदाई, 4 दिन दा प्यार ओ रब्बा बड़ी लंबी जुदाई, लंबी जुदाई. Thank you.
How beautiful was that? So, people, if you're loving her voice, of course, we want to know from you. Let us know in the comment section. I think we have a request coming up, that is Wo Pehli Baar. I think we have to
वो
turn up the
पहली
mahal.
बार जब हम मिले, हाथों में हाथ जब हम चले, हो गया ये दिल दीवाना, होता है प्यार क्या इसने जाना, वो पहली बार सिंगलों जब हम मिले, हाथों में हाथ जब हम चले. Thank you.
The best I could do is lip sync. I just wanted to ruin the song for you.
No, I could hear a little bit from you.
All right, I think before we go off, I really want to know that apart from your own, list, your own songs, one of your favorite song, like which you really enjoy?
Okay. लग जा गले के फिर हंसी रात हो न हो, शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो, लग जा गले हमको मिली है आज ये घड़ियां नसीब से, हमको मिली है आज ये घड़ियां नसीब से, जी भर के देख लीजिए हमको करीब से, फिर आपके नसीब में ये बात हो न हो, शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो, लग जा गले से.
You have my
Thank
heart
you.
for this one. I'm sure
Thank you.
this song is
Thank you.
definitely close to heart for a lot of people out there. You made their day,
Yes.
of course.
Thank you so
Okay.
much.
Yes, Meenal, anything you want
So,
to say to your fans out there?
thank you so much for listening to me. And I just want to say that stay at home, stay safe. This is a very small thing that we have to do is just stay in the comfort of our own home. Even if you don't have much to eat, we are staying at a better place जहाँ हमें essentials बहुत easily available है, basic खाना बना सकते हैं, basic रह सकते हैं, and stay away from people, like maintain the
The
distance. Social
crowd. Yeah.
distancing is very very important. Keep washing your hands. Like we have a routine घर पे अगर नीचे से सामान आता है, so basic है, सारा सामान धुलता है properly, like whether it is vegetables or it's a bread packet or anything, we wash it with a little bit of sanitizer and
Sanitizer.
water and everything, dry it up, and then we use it. It might sound very stupid, like अरे ये क्या है, क्यों करना है, but I really feel this is extremely important for people to understand. If they do not want the lockdown to I mean to extend, we really need to be careful, and which all we have to do is be at home, do things that make us happy, like sing, write, draw. I also draw. I keep drawing. So, like me and my child, we keep drawing and coloring things and stuff. And so he is like side से मुझे एकदम से वो दिखा
देख
रहा
रहा
है. So I'll just
है.
introduce you to him. He's Simar. Say
Hi.
hi,
What's his
everybody.
name?
Hi. Simar Singh Rig, my Sardar
Simar.
Bacha. Yes. So all I'm saying is just be at home, draw, cook, be at home, and there's so many ways to connect to people. Zoom है, Google Duo है, WhatsApp calls हैं. भाई call करो, बात करो. If you feel alone, try to do nice things and try to hone your skills. This is the time if you're
This is
alone,
it.
and decluster your stuff, and जो भी हम नहीं कर पा रहे थे रोज के रूटीन की वजह से, like we travels पे artists, we travel so much. अरे ये हो ही नहीं पा रहा है, मैं इतना travel कर रही हूँ. This is the time. Let's just do it. Let's be happy. Let's spread only positivity. अगर आपके पास कोई opinions या thoughts है भी, please try to write positive stuff.
Right.
If not anything else, let's be positive. Let's support this cause in whatever way we can, because this is for us. Remember, हम इस country के part हैं, ये country हमारा part secondary है, हम इस country के part हैं. We are very lucky to and blessed to be born in India. Let's just make the best out of it. So stay happy, stay safe, stay at home is all I want to say.
Thank you so much, Meenal, and all the pointers which you gave. Of course, people have to make sure that they follow it up. It was amazing having you here, and I'm sure we all love you. We love your music. We love your voice. So keep
Thank you so
entertaining
much.
us, and thank you so
Yes,
much
and
for being with us.
do keep checking my Insta page and Facebook page and YouTube, Meenal Jain. I'll be posting, as you said, yeah, entertaining people that of
Yes.
course I can do. So we'll be doing that. So yes, all the best to everybody and stay safe. And thank you so much, Pallavi and the Seven Entertainment for bringing me live on this page. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, all of you, once again for joining us. If you need entertainment in your life, all you have to do is come back here at the 7 Entertainment Instagram feed.
Perfect.
Thank you. Stay safe, stay home, and see you soon, Meenal. Thank you and take
Bye
care.
bye. Take care. Thank you so
Bye.
much.
Take care.